everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English Conversation series, part of the American English podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Lucas. Today we're talking about food.
Yes, food is a great topic. We all eat every day, right?
That's right. Today we'll talk about three things. First, our favorite foods.
Second, cooking at home.
And third, ordering food in a restaurant.
These are really useful conversations. You can use them every day.
So, are you ready? Let's start learning together.
Before we begin, think about this question. What is your favorite food?
Yes, think about it. We'll ask you again later.
Lucas, I have a question for you.
Sure. What's your question?
What is your favorite food?
Oh, that's easy. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza? That's delicious. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pizza with cheese and vegetables. It's so good.
That sounds tasty. I like pizza too.
What about you, Sophia? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta. I love pasta.
What kind of pasta do you like?
I like pasta with tomato sauce. It's simple and delicious.
Tomato sauce is classic. Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild food. Spicy food is too hot for me.
I understand. I like a little spicy, but not too much.
Now, let's ask our friends. What is your favorite food?
Yes, please write it in the comments. We want to know.
Do you like pizza? Do you like pasta?
Or maybe you like something different. Tell us.
Let me ask you another question, Lucas.
Go ahead.
Do you like sweet food or savory food?
That's a good question. I like both.
Both, really?
Yes, for breakfast, I like sweet food. Pancakes with honey.
Pancakes are delicious.
But for lunch and dinner, I prefer savory food.
I'm the same. I like sweet breakfast too.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with jam. Sometimes I eat fruit.
That sounds healthy and tasty.
Everyone, think about this. Do you prefer sweet or savory food?
And what do you usually eat for breakfast? Tell us. Sophia, do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home every day. What about you?
I cook sometimes, maybe 3 times a week.
That's good. Cooking at home is healthy.
You're right. It's also cheaper than eating out.
Exactly. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook simple dishes. My favorite is fried rice.
Fried rice. That's easy to make, right?
Yes, very easy. I use rice, eggs, and vegetables.
What vegetables do you use?
I use carrots, peas, and onions. Sometimes I add chicken too.
That sounds delicious. How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes. Very quick.
20 minutes is perfect for busy days.
What about you? What do you like to cook?
I like to cook soup. I cook soup almost every week.
What kind of soup do you make?
I make vegetable soup. It's warm and comforting.
What ingredients do you need?
I need tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and onions.
Those are common vegetables, easy to find.
Yes, I also add some salt and pepper.
How long does it take to cook soup?
It takes about 40 minutes, longer than fried rice.
But it's worth it, right?
Definitely. And I can eat it for 2 or 3 days.
That's smart. Let's ask our friends now.
Yes. Do you cook at home?
What is your favorite dish to cook?
Is it easy or difficult to make?
Please share your experience in the comments.
We really want to hear from you.
Now, let me teach you some cooking words.
Good idea. These words are very useful.
First word, chop. Chop means to cut into small pieces.
You chop vegetables before cooking. Chop the onions.
Second word, boil. Boil means to cook in hot water.
You boil water for pasta. Boil the potatoes.
Third word, fry. Fry means to cook in hot oil.
You fry eggs in a pan. Fry the chicken.
These are basic cooking words, very important. Try to use them when you practice English.
Now, let's talk about restaurants.
Yes, sometimes we at restaurants, right?
Exactly. Let's practice a restaurant conversation.
Good idea. I'll be the customer. You'll be the waiter.
Perfect. Let's start. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Restaurant.
Good evening. Table for one, please.
Of course. Follow me, please. Here's your table.
Thank you very much.
Here is the menu. What would you like to drink?
I'd like water, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water is fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready to order food?
Yes, I'm ready. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular today.
Grilled chicken sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. What side dish would you like?
What side dishes do you have?
We have rice, fries, or salad.
I'll have salad, please.
Perfect. One grilled chicken with salad. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
Okay, everyone, did you hear those useful phrases?
Let's review them together. First phrase is table for one, please.
Use this when you arrive at the restaurant.
Second phrase is what would you like to drink?
The waiter asks this question. You can answer, I'd like water.
Third phrase is I'm ready to order.
Say this when you know what you want to eat.
Fourth phrase is what do you recommend?
Ask this when you need help choosing food.
Fifth phrase is I'll have the chicken, please.
Use this to order your food clearly.
These phrases are really important.
Practice them at home. Say them out loud.
Now let's continue our restaurant scene.
Yes, time to finish the meal.
Here is your grilled chicken with salad. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
2,000 years later.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
How much is it?
It's $25, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Did everyone notice that last phrase?
Yes. Can I have the bill, please? This is very important.
You say this when you finish eating.
In American English, some people say check instead of bill.
That's right. Can I have the check, please?
Both are correct. You can use either one.
Wow, we talked about so many things today.
Yes, we talked about favorite foods.
We talked about cooking at home.
And we practice ordering in a restaurant.
Let's review our key phrases one more time.
First, what is your favorite food?
Second, do you cook at home?
Third, table for one, please.
Fourth, I'd like water, please.
Fifth, I'm ready to order.
And sixth, can I have the bill, please?
These phrases are super useful in real life.
Now we have homework for you.
Yes, try to practice these conversations at home.
Talk to yourself in English. It really helps.
And remember our questions from today.
What is your favorite food?
Do you prefer sweet or savory food?
What do you like to cook at home?
Please write your answers in the comments.
We love reading your comments. They help us learn too.
And they help you practice writing in English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson about food.
See you in the next video.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.